This is what is left of the old abandoned Portland Cement Company plant that opened up in the Napa Valley region of the American Canyon over 120 years ago, just after the turn of the 20th century in 1903. But before we explore, let me tell you about the brief history. The plant began full operations in 1903, employing 200 workers who mined limestone and clay to produce the cement powder. The concrete was made for numerous Bay Area projects, and most notably contributing to San Francisco's reconstruction after the 1906 earthquake. The site had its own infrastructure, including housing for workers, a machine shop, laboratory, and electricity. However, the site exhausted all of its resources and became economically unviable, closing its doors in 1935. The site sat abandoned until the Basalt Rock Company acquired the property in the 1940s. They added new buildings and employee housing. The Basalt Rock Company would also branch out into the shipbuilding business in 1941 when it started building ships for the U.S. Navy for World War II. After the war, the demand for cement rapidly declined. The plant would last another 25 years before ultimately closing its doors for good in the 1970s, leading to the gradual deterioration and decay of its silos and industrial buildings. Alright guys, so over the past 40 years, this abandoned site has attracted graffiti artists from all over, and they've transformed this place into an extensive art canvas. Some are amateurs and some are actually really amazing pieces of art. But there is a darker side to this site that I wanted to share with you guys that makes this place a little bit more unsettling and eerie. There are many reports of deaths and injuries that have happened here. There was one employee in the early days that was buried alive under the cement. There has been multiple reports of drownings that happened in the cement quarry. In 2013, a man slipped and fell down a steep slope into an underground water hazard and drowned. In 2018, a woman fell 20 feet from a hole in the roof and had to be airlifted to the hospital in critical condition. Luckily, she survived. If you are enjoying this video so far, please remember to like and subscribe so we can continue to bring you more content like this in the future. It really does help our channel, and I want to thank you all for watching. Alright, now that that's out of the way, let's go explore the ruins. This would be like a really good like paintball course. Let's go check out over here. think there might be some people over there. Just heard somebody drive by. Let's see if there's anybody over here. Just a bird. Kind of scared me though. Hello? Anybody in here? Hello? Dead end. I don't see anybody over here anymore. There was a truck that drove by. I don't know if it was security or just other people checking out the place. Let's see if we can get into this. Wow. This is cool.
Really cool. Almost looks like a teepee. All the wood up there.
This is really cool. Just shadows on the wall make it look really cool.